All right? Ladies, I'm here to teach you how to attract, cultivate, and develop and keep happy relationships. Because even though we go through life and we think sometimes we're on a path by ourselves, we're never alone. You're never alone. Even if you think you don't have a lot of friends, a lot of people to call, you're never alone. And I was thinking about when Kiki asked me to speak on relationships. I know this is a mixed group of women. So let me have all my singles throw up their hands and give me a wave. Show me some love. And I want you to do an S when you wave at me. And give me a snap. Okay, because that's for being single. So give me an S and give me a snap. Okay, where are my married women? Okay, I want you to hold up 3 fingers and give me the W. Y'all like that? You know what that W's for? That means I'm a wife. Okay? So where's my singles? Give me my S and my snap. Where's my wives? Give me the W. Now, a lot of you women that are married want to be doing this. And some of you married women are just like, oh, Jesus. But anyway.
Where's the cougars? Where's the C for cougars?
Oh, cougars. Do that. Y'all are a mess already. Y'all need to let me do I get a lot of phone calls, especially from Facebook, from really around the world and the country. They think I'm a matchmaker. They think that I have a escort service. They think all these different things. But I'm just a woman on a mission to stop the divorce in the Christian community. And when I say stop it, I mean stop it. Because the Christian divorce rate is higher as it is in the world, and we have to come to a meeting of the mind. And so, with that being said, I'm not just talking to married women or Christian women, I'm talking to women in general. Because to build healthy relationships, we can't do it by ourselves, whether you're married or single. For you single people, it's always 2 people in a relationship, to me. It's yourself and it's God. For you married people, it's 3 people in a relationship. It's yourself, the Holy Ghost, and your husband. And sometimes when we leave one of those components out, something goes wrong. In every area of your life. So I have some